in the northern part of Ontario, in the wilderness area, to build a bed and breakfast that will offer alternative healing and spiritual renewal through being in nature. And we both have sent that out together as two people together, one desire. We talk about it, we visualized it, we've done all that. I've felt that I know it's coming. But there are times when I feel that either myself or Mark are doubting it. And so my question is, if I am really feeling that, yes, it's coming, I'm feeling very positive, and Mark is doubting, or the other way around, which one wins out?
Well, as you are joined at the hip, so to speak, and creating on the same project, and let's say that you are most of the time feeling only eager anticipation about it, and your partner, let's say, is doubting quite a bit. If you turn your attention toward your doubting partner, now you're not in vibrational alignment with what you want. And so it isn't a matter of who wins. It isn't a matter of which is the stronger vibration, the one of what you want or the one of the doubting of what you want. It is a very unique thing for two people to care about each other, to be working together on a project and not influence each other to the lowest common denominator of the vibration. Because when you want what you want, and even someone you love is focused negatively, they feel to you as if they are hindering, and that injustice looms within you. In other words, it's like, if you wouldn't doubt so much, then my desire would be pure. And we say, what's somebody else's doubt got to do with your belief? Where do you get your belief from? Them? That's a very conditional belief. If you'll believe, I'll believe. No, if you'll believe, I'll believe. No, if you'll believe, I'll believe. We say, focus upon what you want until you know it, and then what anybody else thinks won't make you buckle at the knees. So often, one partner will want one thing and another partner will want another. Let's say that you both want opposite things. Let's say you want it to be in these mountains and you want it to be at this beach, or something that feels different. And so if you're focused upon what you want and finding vibrational alignment with it completely, then the universe has to yield it to you. And if this one is focused upon what he wants and is giving his undivided attention to it, then the universe has to yield it. But what usually happens is you're looking over there at what the other one is doing, which means you're not a match. The other one's looking at what you're doing, which means he's not a match. And so now neither one of you are matched to what you want, and so neither one of you are getting what you want. You're both sort of blaming each other. So the answer to the question is, it doesn't mean diddly squat what anybody else thinks about anything, even if they are your co-creative partner in this